Inheritance has killed us. वुज़ू ना पता कोनी, गुस्ल ना पता कोनी, हलाल हराम ना पता कोनी, इसयाने सारे माए आए ये प्लाट मराया, the कोठी's mine, that bank account's mine, अब नहीं करी चंगी सी चलो वो मारी है, कपड़े पवे सट्टी हो रो. This is the level we are on. Any assets our parents have, we know yo, Imam Sahib, you know, he give the ghusl, give the watch, give that to me. My dad said I can have it. ए तू की पता है कि अब्बे आया था कड़ी तू चाय की. But you never listen when your dad said पुत्र 5 मिनट दे जाया जुमे सी बात. पुत्र मस्जिद जाना है मैं क्यों नाल के नहीं जा. Why? Because we have become a worldly nation. We have become people that chase assets and chase wealth. This is who we are. You know, we despise our own brothers and sisters, our own blood brothers and sisters. Look at the state of the Muslim Ummah. How do we expect Muslims to help those that are oppressed when Muslims can't even help their own parents? When Muslims can't even see eye to eye with their own siblings?